All right, let's get the sixth and final video here at the Twin Cities Auto Show 2024, 30th day of March, Easter weekend. So here we go. We're gonna look at some vehicles here, the Range Rovers you got right here. All kinds of good stuff. They make some nice vehicles. This is the sixth and final video. Hope you enjoyed the little adventure. Try to put these out in December. Every other day with other videos, so it'll kind of be every other day with another video. So this, I was going to do it next March, but then it'll be out in 2025, and that way you can look at the stuff. So those bad boys, huh? Got all kinds of fun stuff here. Look at that bad boy. Some nice vehicles here. They got you're kind of into the expensive ones here, back in here. You can book a test drive, 100% electric, but when can you charge the bad boy? When and where, right? Nice vehicles. They're heavier. They go through a lot of tires. And this little, I'm not getting this bad boy. So I mean, I don't know how many miles you get per charge, but let's say you want to go to Chicago. You know, it's a good little vehicle to run around town. I understand that. Totally understand that, but there's not a chance am I gonna run around and do anything with this bad boy. Not a chance. Vehicle is locked. Why? Put the hood up, man. It's electric. I don't understand why they lock them. I mean, if you want people to look inside there, enjoy them. That big boy should be on all-wheel drive, man. All-wheel drive. Kia. Nice vehicle. Love that red, it's nice. Someone's barking. I think we're in Electric Avenue here. I think this is all electrical stuff. That's what we're looking at, so. I get it. You just drive around the Twin Cities, I understand that, or San Diego, non-cold weather climate. I totally understand that. See, I don't know why they're locked. If you want people to get in there and look at it. So this is the electric aisle, mainly. This might be the Lightning. Platinum. I don't know if it is. Yeah, it's the Lightning. They had to lay people off. Not selling them. Almost, that's a $100,000 vehicle right there. Sorry. It's a nice vehicle, but I'm not paying $100,000 for that bad boy. I'm not doing it. Just kind of a, yeah, I'm not paying that much for that truck, not a chance. Everyone's open. What do we want with this bad boy? 52,000. It's a nice color one right up there. That's a nice one. Well, it's orange, but that's kind of a cool orange. But I read the article and a video that they're heavier and they go through a lot more tires because they're heavier vehicles. The tire companies love it. That's a nice shot there. My goodness, plastic. Body men don't like that. Look at that shot. Goodness. Clips. People kicking the tires. Little two-seater right there. Over here.
One section of things.
I don't think I'm getting that bad boy. Not a chance. That's why it's a mirage. You can't see it until it's too late. Yeah, that's good. Like that's really gonna do well in Minnesota winters. I have a PT Cruiser convertible. You all know that. I don't drive in winter time because it doesn't do well. So. What's they want for this pig?
Some are bigger than others.
18,000. If you're living in San Diego, I get it. Not a chance. I drive that thing around in winter time. These are all electrical cars. I think I'd get 6 videos in. Now, all the cars should be open. The hoods should be able to look inside. A lot of people want to see that. They're all good until you can't. Stalls out on you. I know the CEO of Ford found out about his Lightning. Drive from LA to Vegas the hard way. Oh, you know I like dogs. Yep. There they are. Oh, there go dogs. And sitting in the vehicles having a good old time. That's how people want it. They want to sit in them. They want to hang out. I want this pig. 45,000. Wilderness. It's a nice blue. People are loving the auto show. This is only the first day too as well, so. ID4. Huh. All right. So we'll go on over here and finish out the video. So, this is the Atlas, I guess, crossbow. A lot of legroom in there or not?
I didn't try.
Oh, okay. Nice. Anyways, guys, we'll finish out this nice blue one over here. Hope you enjoyed the little grand tour of the 2024 Twin Cities Auto Show.
Yeah, most do.
All right. See you next one, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the shows.